Today, let's crochet the lavender. Firstly, make a slip knot. Make a slip knot like this. Firstly, wrap the yarn around the index finger and little finger, and then pinch this slip knot with the middle finger and thumb. Pinch it like this. Insert the crochet hook. We need to start 26 chain stitches. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. $20. 24, 25, 26. After crocheting 26 chain stitches, this is the second stitch. We need to go to the second stitch. Crochet to the second stitch and enter the half stitch away from us. See, the half stitch away from us. Crochet a single crochet in the half stitch away from us. Insert and bring out 2 stitches together. 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, okay. After that, we need to crochet a 3 chain picot stitch. Let's take a look at how to crochet a picot stitch. Insert into these 2 lines of the single crochet just now. Okay, bring it out. After bringing it out, don't do this. Bring 2 together. Take the first loop. Bring it out from the second loop. This is our picot stitch. Then crochet the second one. 1 single crochet. Also a 3 chain picot stitch. See, this half stitch and this half stitch. Look, we go in. After crocheting it out like this, the first loop, come out from the second loop. This is our picot stitch. A 3 chain picot stitch. We need to crochet 10 of them. These are 2. Continue crocheting. The next single crochet. Look again. It is here for a while. At the first single crochet of our first stitch, slip stitch it out. This is the picot stitch. We crochet the 4th one. Crochet 1 in 1 stitch. 1, 2, 3. Okay, picot stitch. Crochet it out. Our 5th one. 1 single crochet. Crochet it out from here. Let's crochet the 6th one. Crochet 1 in 1 stitch. 1. Okay, let's crochet the picot stitch again. See? Okay, the next one. Single crochet. Okay, let's crochet the picot stitch again. I crocheted the 8th one again. One single crochet. Okay, crochet the next one. The 9th one. We crochet one more, crochet 10. Crochet it over. This is the 10th one. After crocheting 10, then crochet one more single crochet. For chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chain, picot stitch. The crochet method is the same. At this position, on the 4 stitches, put on a stitch marker, because the 4 stitches also need to be counted. Also, crochet 10. Don't count the front ones. Then crochet the second one. Okay? When crocheting, count 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one. Crochet it over. This is the 3rd one. The next stitch. 1 in 1 stitch. The half stitch away. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Okay, let's begin. 1 single crochet. Okay, picot stitch. Okay, come 1 single crochet. Picot stitch. Slip stitch the next stitch. No, crochet a single crochet, not a slip stitch. Crochet a single crochet. Okay, picot stitch. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Crochet 7. Then crochet the 8th one. Okay, picot stitch. Single crochet. Picot stitch. Then crochet the last one. Picot stitch. These are 10. There are 5 stitches left in the end. When there are 5 stitches left, crochet 1 single crochet and 5 chain stitches. 1 single crochet and 5 chain stitches. Remove it. One single crochet. Picot stitch. Come over. The next single crochet. One, two. The next one. Picot stitch. Then crochet one more chain stitch and break the yarn. The lavender is finished. Then wrap it around.